Amid the differences and the clear infighting within the Haryana Congress, the BJP has taken a jibe at the Congress party. The BJP taking a dig. My colleague Meenakshi is joining us with the details.
Yes, Pratibha, so let's take you through Amit Malviya's tweet. Amit Malviya has basically taken a dig at the Congress party and he has said that आज के, and I'm reading his tweet verbatim, आज कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे का हरियाणा में दौरा तय था. अंबाला और करनाल में 2 कार्यक्रम थे, लेकिन हुड्डा और शैलजा जी की कोट अनकोट एज अमित मालविया से गुटबाजी के बीच दौरा रद्द करना पड़ा. So to give our viewers a little backdrop, we had broken this news earlier that Kharge had chosen or said that he will not be able to go to Haryana because owing to his ill health. But BJP says that no, it doesn't have anything to do with his health. This was postponed or delayed or cancelled because of the alleged infighting which the BJP says is happening in the Haryana Congress. And just like other leaders also, he goes on to say that Kumari Shailja is getting insulted in the Congress party, claiming that there is, as he says, a gut or a camp between, Baap Beta, that is obviously the Huddas, and on the other side the BJP says is Surjewala and the Shailja camp. So BJP once again taking a dig at the Congress party amidst alleged infighting in Haryana.
Okay, all right. Stay with us. In fact, some of the BJP leaders have also given an open invitation to Kumari Shailja to switch over to the BJP if she likes. We have more reactions coming in. Let's listen in.
What do we have to say about Shailja Kumari? The Congress workers are abusing her, using foul language against her, and he is not supporting Shailja Kumari. I mean, otherwise they speak of that we are with people from the backward caste and scheduled caste, but now he is not uttering a word. Rahul Gandhi need to come clear on his stand on Section 370-35A because that will hurt the progress of the Valmikis in the state, and also on Shailja Kumari. She has been your leader. She is your leader. What is your stand on her? How do you support her, or you don't support her?